Let me talk to you about an issue that I think is of critical importance, is going to see more visibility in this Congress, and an issue that many of you have talked to me about over the last number of years. The issue is parental rights. You know, in a lot of different areas, you've expressed your opinion that parental rights are important, like education. You want a choice as to whether you're going to homeschool, whether you're going to send your child to a charter school, whether you're going to have public school choice, or whether you may decide to send your child to a private or parochial school. You want enhanced opportunities for you as a parent to influence where your child will go to school and what they will learn. But in many cases, you found that parental rights have been eroding. And let me give you an example right here in Washington that happened on Wednesday. We're considering a bill dealing with federal minimum standards for boot camps and other rehabilitation facilities where you as a parent may have decided to send your child, or where maybe the government, because of some infractions that your child has performed, has been assigned to. I just said that in a facility like this, before a minor child would receive a prescription drug, that the parent have the final approval as to whether that child, their child, would have the opportunity or would be required to take this prescription drug. The current bill said that parents should be notified. I think as a federal minimum standard, the standard shouldn't be notification. It should be parental approval. The surprising thing is that amendment lost. Congress is now setting and establishing in this bill for these types of facilities that government bureaucrats will decide what prescription drugs your kids may get, and you'll only be notified. I think that's wrong. But I think that this issue is going to evolve even more. There's a UN Convention on the Child, a treaty that's out there that basically will provide an opportunity for more erosion of parental rights. I've met with a lot of experts here in Washington talking about this treaty and also the erosion of parental rights in Washington through legislation here, and identified a very simple piece of legislation that, number one, protects parental rights except in the cases of abuse and those types of things where the state and the child have a distinct need and requirement for the state to intervene, but only in those limited types of cases. Otherwise, parental rights need to be guaranteed. I'll actually be introducing a constitutional amendment that makes that point. We're currently in the process of gathering co-sponsors, both Democrats and Republicans, to try to make sure that we can guarantee parental rights. This is an issue that I'll continue talking with you about over the coming weeks and over the coming months, because I think that this is going to be a critical issue in the current Congress. If you've got some feedback, input, or questions, please feel free to contact me. Contact us directly in the office or contact us through the website. We'd love to hear from you and hear about your views on this issue. Hey, thank you.